Hello, this is Dan Sullivan with Sullivan Auctioneers, inviting you to sit back and enjoy this video of a recent cattle auction held at Carthage Livestock Auction, Carthage, Illinois. This auction was held on Saturday, April 14th, 2012, in conjunction with the Bob Dwyer and Brent Louderman Grass Opportunity Sale. Sit back and enjoy this video.
Three now, boys, we're going to get higher. Now 24. 24, we're going to sell stock, boys. Hands in there. We're going to get 23 and a half, 4. 23 and a half, now half, 24 and a half. Now, Tom, you say 24 and a half. Now 25, Michael. Now 2,500. Now 25. The first draft of the Alexander cows. 2,500. 2,500. Michael Patrick. 2,500. So me, Tom, at 24 and a half. He knows the difference. He looked at him on the farm. 103. 2,200 start the bidding. 2,300. 2,203 great. 22,3. 22,3. 22,3. 22,3. 22 and a half. Now 30. 22 and a half. Now half. Now 23 and a half. 23 and a half. 23 and a half. Yeah, Michael. 23 and a half. Now 23 and a half. 3 and a half. 23 now 24. 24 and a half. Now half. Now 24 and a half, Michael. Now 24 and a half. 4 and a quarter. Now half. Now 24 and a quarter. 4 and a half. Now 24.75. 24.75. Sold. 24 and a half. Sold. 24 and a half. Same way. 103. I'm at 17 and a half. I'm at 18. 2,000. I'm at 10. Now on. 21. 21. 21. 22. 22. 23. 22. 23. 22. 22 and a half. 3. 22 and a half. Down 22 and a half. 23 and a half. 3. Go on, take 300. 4. About 375 goods and all the way. One sold. Michael, 23.50. Number 800. Number 800. 800. 17 and a half. 17 and a half. 22 and a half. 22 and a half. 22 and a half. 25. 25 and a half. 27 and a half. 38 now 9. 20 and a half. 29 and a half. 3,000. I'm going to be $3 grand on 29 and a half. 2,900, but I'm on 207.
We'll start the bidding at $25. Can I get a $25? Thank you, sir. Now keep it alive with 35. Give it a nice holiday. I hear 40 from the lady in green. It's a $40 bid, but you gotta be seen. Now $45 in the back, make it $55 from the man in black. Now 60. Don't get yourself left behind. Now we've got $75, but you can't change your mind. I'm looking for 85, chance of a lifetime. 95, give me a lifetime. Do I hear 100? Heck of a deal. Will you give 100? That's a steal. Now there it is. 100 in the front row, $100. Can't be a no-show, gotta be bold. If the bid's gonna hold, going once, going twice. Now it's sold. We'll start the bidding at $25. Can I get a $25? Thank you, sir. Now